Okay guys, hey, it's your girl Pretty Princess. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I have been getting a lot of inquiries about how to cut off the front of a lace for a wig. As you know, it is COVID-19 here in 2020. As you know, we are facing COVID-19 right now, so all non-essential businesses has been closed, and hairstylists is one of those. So you guys have been seeing, I cannot talk. You guys have been seeing an increase in wigs on your timelines just from your stylists, just trying to get you guys something to be able to throw on your head during this pandemic, since you can't come into the salon to see us. Some people are working and you're not supposed to be, but that's between you, God, your health, and the government. But I am choosing to stay safe, stay at home, and only make out wigs and ship these off to customers. So really quickly, I've been getting some requests like, okay, I received the wig, but I don't know how to cut the lace. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cut the lace on your frontal wig if your stylist is not cutting it for you. Now, if you do buy your wigs from me, which you should, you know, www.everythingpretty.co, you know, shameless plug. If you do buy your wigs from me, I will add a drop down on there for you to say, please cut my lace. And if you select that option, I will do it. Some women do not like for their lace to be cut when ordering wigs, especially if they're going to a stylist. Their stylist wants to cut the lace on their own. So, you know, that's why a lot of wig makers, we do not cut the lace. That is not included. That is something you want to make a special request for and ask your stylist and or wig maker to do. So, of course, we have my lovely Nicole wig here. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Pretty Princess, you have seen this post, but this is seemed to be one of the most popular wigs that's being ordered just because it's short, cute, simple, pop of color, and, you know, baby hairs, edges is on fleek. So if you want to see how I cut the lace off of a full lace wig, continue to watch this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so first we're gonna take it off of your canvas block, and you're gonna want to lay it flat. Try to get a clear background so you can see through the lace. So all I simply do is I start by the ear. Over here, you move all of this hair out of the way, like so. Okay, it's the nails for me, but hold on. Get yourself in position. And you want to move these baby hairs out of the way. Then you want to take your stork scissors. These are great for cutting lace and thin material. You can find these on Amazon. These are just a regular pair of stork scissors, or some nail techs have these scissors to cut the tip off. But so first we're gonna just cut this empty lace over here on the side. No rhyme or reason, just get the empty lace off. Okay, great. Now we're gonna start with this, I'm gonna continue with the hairline. So what I like to do, as you can see, is I like to be able to see my fingers behind it, because I'm gonna move the baby hairs out of the way. Don't be afraid of messing up the baby hairs, because guess what? They're already cut out. The shape is already cut, so it'll be easy for you to re-find it. So move the baby hairs out of the way. Take your time when you're cutting the lace, as you want this to be done properly so your wig can sit on your head nicely. Okay, so we move the lace as much as I can. We move the baby hairs back as much as I can. So now I'm just gonna go in and make one slit. Then, grabbing it with my finger, you are going to cut along the hairline without cutting the hair in a little squiggly pattern. Now, as you can see, that lace is cut in a jagged pattern, so that way I like to cut it jagged, because whenever you cut straight across, this straight line it's easier to spot a straight line straight across versus a squiggly, jagged line when it's glued to your forehead. So again, let's move the rest of the hairs out the way. Take your time, lay it on a flat surface. Make sure you're not cutting any of the hair. And now we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna make this first slit, and I'm just gonna follow, babe, can they see this? I'm following this. You see the hairline? So I'm not gonna make my zigzag right there on the hair. I'm gonna make it like a little bit before. So you just get under there and you just start cutting, making sure to move your scissors in a jagged direction. So now you see that? Now I'm just gonna continue doing it. And I just do this in small steps. I do this when I'm doing sew-ins, frontal sew-ins, or wig installs. This is nothing special that I'm doing for you guys. This is exactly how I do it, and this is a trick I am revealing. So now we're gonna do it again. And boom, we have cut that section out. Now we're gonna, and now as you can see, you guys see it? You see how it's like jagged, or should you come from this direction? They can see it. You see how it's not a straight line. So now we're approaching the top baby hairs. So we're just gonna move this on out of the way. Really, babe. And we're gonna repeat this going across. Can you see? And I'm just doing it again. Not cutting on those baby hairs. You do not want to cut out what your stylist just did for you. And boom. So you see I'm doing it in section by section. So let me get this piece of paper for you guys. So when you see how it's not a straight across line. So now we're just gonna keep going. Yes, I'm doing this in the middle of shipping orders out. My client requested it. So I'm just shipping it. I'm gonna cut it first and then we're gonna ship this right on out. I ship worldwide. Did it again. Now, and when you move the baby hairs back, it'll be back to normal. So don't be afraid of moving out those baby hairs out of your way so you're only cutting lace. Now we're gonna do it again right here. And we're almost done, guys. So I cut my slit. Now I'm gonna start my little squiggly line. That one's done. Now we're over here. Gonna do the same thing. Cut a slit. And I'm just going, and there's no rhyme or reason. There's no specific pattern. I'm not being very critical about these squiggly lines. I just don't want it to be a straight line across my forehead. The only straight lines I'm doing is when it's over here behind the ear. Where there's no hair, nobody will see that, so we're just gonna cut that straight and cut that out. And that's how you cut the front. And lastly, when you see the inside of your wig and it has this you just take straight across, because this is in the back of your head. Nobody is looking at that. So I'm just making sure the little hairs are out of the way, and I'm just going straight across in the back, and this wig is ready to go. So hold on, Now that lace is cut, and so is the frontal. So when you put it back on the canvas block, it looks just like this. You can fix it. See, my baby hairs are still in position, so if you guys are doing this on your own, you will still be able to find the baby hairs and how you should lay it down. It's just now your front lace is cut off and ready to wear. So at this point, I would take a comb or your toothbrush and, you know, brush back the hairs back perfectly, get everything back ready. But this is your final result of how to cut the lace front off of a frontal or a full lace wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to leave a comment and subscribe, like the video, thumbs up. Ooh, I plucked the mess out of this, y'all. This looks so good. Please let me know what you guys think or any other methods that you guys like to use when you're cutting your full lace wig. Hopefully this helps you and on this COVID-19. Stay safe and do everything pretty. Love you guys. Thank you.